What's up, guys? I'm back. I missed last week because I had exams, but this week I'm redeeming myself because the week before I had a really lame sandwich. So I'm coming back at you with Ike's sandwiches. Ike's love and sandwiches. So I've had Ike's before. They're really known for their menage a trois sandwich, which is like chicken, honey mustard, and dirty sauce. That's like their secret sauce. But today I got the Joe Namath. Comes with halal chicken, bacon, Asian sesame sauce, and pepper jack cheese. Alright, let's get into this. So in the bag they usually come with, here it is, the caramel apple pop. That's their signature. They always put a caramel apple pop. I got a full meal, so I got some chips, hotter and jalapeno Zap chips. Let's test these out. Ooh, these are spicy and sweet. New Orleans kettle style. All right. And I also got my diet Dr. Pepper. Got the Dr. Pepper today. So change it up from the Diet Coke. Let's see, all right. So I got it on sourdough this time. Here we go. Now this is a sandwich. This is way better than last time. Look at that chicken. Can you see the bacon in there? So I got lettuce, tomato, red onion, banana pepper, jalapenos. This is way better than last week's, or 2 weeks ago. That sandwich sucked. All right, let's, ooh. So I usually get, their signature bread is usually Dutch Crunch, but I've always gotten that, so this time I just got sourdough. All right. Take a look at that. So they got their dirty sauce in there, which is their specialty, and the Asian sesame. I haven't had kettle chips in a long time, so that's why I got kettle chips today. I was talking to my friends about kettle chips last night, and I was like, I think I'll grab a bag today. So I got them, and the jalapeno ones are always the best. I like spicy stuff, so. Ooh, that chicken, the halal chicken is one of their, the ingredients that they're known for. The sauce is on point too. This is good. Way better than Earl's of a sandwich. Alright, so a lot of my buddies are asking me, what workout program are you on? So I'm pretty much on a, how do you say, it's a hybrid. It's a powerlifting / bodybuilding style. So I'm training to do like a newbie powerlifting meet in March that I'm preparing for. So I'm just doing a basic Wendlers, which is a 5-3-1. So each week you do like five reps, next week 3 reps, the week after that 1 rep, and then you restart it the 4th cycle, or the 4th week, and you up the weight a little bit. It's just basic. I don't really powerlift at all, so I'm just doing a basic one. So Saturday is my squat day. I squat first, and then I just have a bunch of accessories after. So with those accessories, I just I do high volume, moderate weight. So 10 to 15 reps with moderate weight. And I think this week This week was 3 reps, so I think my top set was 330 times 3, and that was so easy. Sundays are bench day for me, and ooh, check out this bacon. It's not crispy though. That's okay. Sundays are bench day, so I just flat bench. Yesterday it was, or Sunday it was 230 for 3 reps. That was pretty easy too. But on the powerlifting days, with the major lift, I usually do pause and go. A pause rep, because that's how it is in the competition, so I'm just preparing myself for that. But the other days I hit chest, I do touch and go. So after that, I just do accessories right away. So on my bench day is just the upper body plus the bench. So I do back, shoulders, arms. I do probably like 2 to 3 of each exercise. Again, moderate weight to high rep. So it's about 10 to 15 reps. Uh-oh, phone's ringing. Ooh, that piece had a big piece of bacon I just ate. And then so 1, 2. My third day is a rest day. I just do cardio and core. And I have 2 days dedicated to core. I'll get to the second day later, but I truly believe you really do need to work on your core. I mean, you do it in your other lifts, but if you work them directly, it'll be much better for you because you use your core in everything you do in your daily life. So Tuesdays, my deadlift day. So on Tuesdays, I deadlift and then just do a bunch of leg accessories after. So what was it yesterday? Tuesday, deadlift was up to 350 times 3, easy. So the point of Wendler's is you start really low, and you start really low. It's easy, but once it gets up, your 1 rep max should be easier to do. And then, since personally I feel like my chest is lagging, I hit it 3 times a week. I have a push day right after legs, which is today, so Wednesday. Oops. Ooh, this one. This sourdough, man. This sourdough. So juicy. Oh, it's about to drip right here. Will it focus? Anyway, I do push, just shoulders, chest, tri. This is a moderate weight, high rep also. And then Thursdays, pull, back buys. Same thing, moderate to high rep. And then my last day of the cycle, Fridays, is a chest tri day. And that one's low to moderate weight with very high volume. I feel like my body adapts better to high volume, so I added a 3rd chest day in there to get a little, hit my chest one more time for simulation. And that's pretty much it. And then I just run a 3-week cycle. The 4th week should be a deload, but I feel like I don't need it. I'll probably do a deload on my 12th week, which is in like 3 weeks. Ooh, that one had a lot of Asian sesame. And my recovery is great because I'm obviously eating. Look at all this food. Look at all this food I'm eating. And Ike's sandwich though, 10 out of 10. All their sandwiches are so good. In the Bay Area, each sandwich shop has specific their own like sandwich selection. So you got the basic menu, and then they have specialty sandwiches per shop. So like in the Bay Area, you'll have a bunch of Warrior sandwiches. Like I remember they used to have like the Harrison Barnes. They have a Steph Curry sandwich. I don't know exactly what's in it, but it's got halal chicken. They have like the Matt Cain for the Giants. Ooh, look at this one. That bacon, I'm gonna take a bite of that. Oh man, it's dripping. It's that sauce. But yeah, so on top of my workout program, I also do cardio. I watch like 2 episodes of cartoons beforehand, before I work out, because I get lazy. So I do it before working out instead of afterwards, because I used to always leave the gym after working out and I just skip cardio. I mainly do cardio because it's good for your health, cardiovascular health. I mean, obviously it's different than running outside. Oh snap! But I mean, at least I'm in shape for if I have to run or anything. Oh, gotta clean up my table later. Oh man. So compared to last sandwich, this is way juicier. Not dry at all. I definitely eat this sandwich every week, if I could. Because the thing with Ike's sandwiches, I mean, they're big. Like this is filling me up already. With the chips and the drink. But each sandwich, depending where you live, they're like $8, $9, $10, $11, $12 each. This was $10, $9.99. But I think it's like more expensive in the Bay Area compared to like if you're up in Chico. I think their prices are cheaper by $1 to $2. A couple of years ago, Ike's used to only be in San Francisco. But now they're in a lot of places. They blew up, just like Cream. If you guys know Cream, the sandwich, the ice cream sandwich shop. That used to only be in Berkeley, but now they're everywhere. And it's expensive too. Each ice cream cookie used to be only $2, and now it's like $3, $4, depending on what you get. Oh man, almost done. Whew. Well, this is definitely a redemption meal from last video, so I definitely enjoyed it. Thanksgiving is this week, so I'm definitely gonna enjoy eating tomorrow. It's at my place. We got my mom's cooking lumpia. My dad made embutido. It's like Filipino meatloaf. My mom's making a turkey, mashed potatoes. I think my uncle is making beef, broccoli beef or something, Mongolian beef. And my grandma is making like a special gelatin dessert. So, but I did 2 sandwiches in a row because I wanted to get redeemed from the last crappy one. But I know last time I said I would do a Filipino dish, so maybe next week, if I'm feeling it, I'll do a Filipino dish, because I'm already eating a bunch of Filipino food this week. But we'll see. Oh! Last bite. Ooh, that's spicy. And gonna end it off with this caramel apple pop. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed eating with me, and we'll see you next time.